What's up? Welcome to today's live stream. I'm William. Today is what is today? Oh, it's Thursday. It's Thursday. January 4th, 2024. I should know the date. I literally type it in, but here's a fun fact. All I do is I go to the previous stream and I copy and paste everything, and then I just change my number. And I know that I streamed yesterday, so I just added one. So I didn't really pay attention to the date, so that's my excuse for not actually knowing what day or time it is. Anyways, I'm at work today again. Obviously, it's middle of the week, and I don't know if I'm on vacation or not. I don't know. I kind of just decided to come back. Didn't have anything better to do, so decided I'll work on these docs to try to get a head start before, for me, the week starts in earnest next week on the 8th, which is when I said I would be back. Anyways, let's go ahead and switch over to my screen. There is some stuff that I just realized that I need to go back and redo. Oh shit, let me make sure I don't have anything work sensitive on my machine. Yes, I do. I have Figma open. Let's see, is there anything else? All right, we're good. My bad. All right, so I realized that this screenshot is wrong. What's wrong about it? Well, almost nothing, except for the CSV that I uploaded. This is what we have. We have Yes and William. These should be one over. I've already fixed that. It's just now I need to go back and redo the upload, recapture a screenshot, all of the above. So yeah, that's what I'm about to get ready to do. Now, before I could do that, there's like some cleanup work that I gotta go and do. So to do that, I'll just go into my audience and subscriptions and just delete. Oh wait, no, I already did it. Never mind. Look at that. Oh, that's nice to see. Unless I didn't do it for this, I probably did it for my Devlog thing. Yeah, let's go back to dev cycle. Oh crap, I see. I accidentally added it to the wrong app. This is my bad. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's not great. Well, I'm going to choose to not care. Pretend that it didn't happen. Let's just go back to wherever I was. Or not. Or not. All right, so we'll go ahead and come to the subscriptions and then do the import again. I already have the file here. I've already done the work. And then I was like, oh, you know what? I should probably come and stream. I should do that. All right, there we go. Look at that. So I need two screenshots. I need one like this. And then I need one with this, the advanced settings. Okay, and I'll just call this advanced settings, or not. We'll just leave it alone. All right, cool. So now I have that thing, delete existing data tags values when the uploaded value is null. Oh man, this is not clear. I don't think anyone who's not in computing or who's a programmer knows what the hell null means. And even if you are a programmer, you probably still don't know what null means. You probably just say the word and have a general idea of what you think it means. But yeah, this isn't great for product copy, micro copy. But yeah, it's neither here nor there. Let's open up whatever the things are. Is it here? I forgot the keyboard bind to get to my, what do you call those things? Like, is it Command Shift L? Yes, look at that. All right, I didn't forget it. So yeah, here's my media library, and I need this. All right, cool. So now I have a good screenshot of that. I should also have another screenshot somewhere. Yeah, oh wait. This one is trash. This one is also trash. This is also trash. This is the one that I want. But I also need one. Well, maybe not. Yeah, no, maybe not. Yeah, I don't know, maybe we should be good. I don't know. Let's close that. What else do I need? Oh, this adds the tag name. This brings up an interesting question. Does the limit apply here? So I have a, you know what? Let me go ahead and I'll just create the issue for it right now. This is one signal. All right, we'll create a new issue. And this one is unclear. It's currently unclear if adding, or I guess like adding imported emails to a segment counts against data tag quota or limit. So I'm just going to hand wave for now, and then I'll come back and actually write this up. I just want to capture the thought so that I don't, lose out on all the information. So we'll say we claim to have a limit or data tag limit of 20, but this will, or I guess, but adding imported emails to a segment also creates a data tag. It's not clear whether this data tag will count against the limit. And I want to make this segment. And I know that it's complaining, but this is, I don't know, it's a product name. All right, cool. So we have this, and I will put some labels on it for now. This is on the dashboard. This is user experience. And this is probably documentation. And let me find where we have that limit at, where we say that. One of the things that I absolutely have to do whenever I'm doing this kind of stuff is I like to bring receipts. So we'll go here and let's look for the data tags. Import. We'll just look for 20. Somebody told me 20. I actually don't know if it's 20. Or maybe I do know it's 20 and I saw it somewhere. I just don't know where I saw it. But I'm pretty sure it's 20. Let's just look for 20 data tags. Maybe it's in the doc somewhere. Oh, wait. You can't set more than 19. Okay. All right, now I think I might be confused now. Let me make sure I've captured all my screenshots before I leave this. I'll just say confirm. Okay, and then let's get a screenshot of this. Okay, cool. So while that happened, or it's already happened. So let's see if this says anything about that, because I remember seeing a limit. Yeah, here it is right here, and it's hidden behind the freaking thingamajig. I don't like that. Anyway, let's take a screenshot of this particular section. Also, wait a minute. No, wait. I don't buy this for a couple of reasons actually. For number one is this doesn't jive with what we're saying over here. If a user has 19 tags, a request. Oh, this is for a request. I see. All right. Well, sure. We'll go ahead and create the issue for now. And then it's just on my list to submit this as product feedback. So I got 2 other issues that I got to create. Let me note down that I created 1 of 3 of the issues. Well, no, this is 1 of 4 because I just added a new one. This is it. So this is submit product feedback. And this is for data tags, data tag limits. Using importer. Now, given this, I know this is technically not within what I need to be doing right now, but it's on my mind, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to manually add an email, and then we'll just say tests at onesignal.com, and we'll add some keys that open doors. 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, I don't like this at all. We have scroll action now. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you haven't figured out what I'm trying to do by now, then I don't know what to tell you. So we'll do 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, 19. Look at that. I can count to 20. We've established I can count. And we're going to do 21. That's all I need to do. All right. And then I'll just put the same value. We'll just put A because it really doesn't matter. We'll go up from the top now. All right, cool. So now we have all of these things. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this right quick. I kind of want to, yeah, whatever. I'll just leave it as such. I was gonna say I kind of want to do a scrolling screenshot, but it's whatever. All right, so now because I don't know what's gonna happen, I'm going to record my entire screen. Not my entire screen, just a window. So let's get this recorded and submit. Look at that, it worked. And how did the tags render? 12. Yeah, that worked. Interesting. Interesting. So, okay. I'm gonna just add that to the same issue here. I think this should be that can, yeah. I knew it when I wrote it, but I was like, I'm in a flow. I'm not about to mess up my typing to correct a mistake. All right. Look at that. Except I think I want this not here. And I guess I'll have to give this a header now. What is this? This is adding email with 21 data tags. And then this is really checking if I guess form imposes a client-side limit on data tags. To see if there is a server-side limit. All right, cool. Oh, that's not a sentence. All right, I think. And I guess I should spell things correctly. There we go. Cool. So now we have, I guess, a little bit more context for whoever comes in and looks at this, aka me, in the future. All right, we're done with that. Now, can I get back to working on my documentation? Because I fixed, so I fixed the screenshot, the base screenshot. Now I get to go and annotate the screenshot. So let's go and do it. And I'm using Snagit for this. I don't know why I'm not signed in. Like what? Or maybe I don't care if I'm not signed in. First of all, it wouldn't be under here. It would be under here. Invalid request. Okay, sure. That's why I'm not signed in, because I can't be. So we'll go ahead and move on in life. Let's close all of these because I don't care about these anymore. Don't save anything. Get all this out of my library. I don't want to see it. All right, cool. So now we have the thing, which is here. Yeah, this looks about right. We'll open it with Snagit, because if I add it, sometimes it does weirdness. All right. So I kind of want to do the same thing that I did last time. So I'm gonna come to this shape tool. I'm sorry, the stamps. This literally the reason why I'm using this is because of the stamps. Wait, what? Wait, oh, what's going on here? All right, I'm gonna do that, and then let's reopen it. There we go. Look at that. All right, I don't know. Maybe I had it open for too long. Anyway, I'm gonna take this stamp and then just do a little bit of that action. Then I'll make it slightly bigger so that the height is bigger, like that, and then we'll just stretch it on out. Oh man. All right, and then I want to put this little mouse thing right here just to kind of like make it clear. Oh yeah, you need to go put your mouse right there, click on it, do something. And then I'm gonna throw another arrow on here, and for here we'll just go to the arrows, just right here. Or these are the arrows, I'm tripping. And we'll just say from here to there. And let's make this a little bit shorter. Oops. All right, I think that is okay. It's decent enough. It's good enough. Okay, is that what I had? Yeah, that's all I had. Oh, no, that's not all I had. And then I have another stamp. So we'll take this stamp here and just be like, doink. And let's set that to 90. Oh, it is already 90. It looks like it's saved from last time. Okay. And now I can export this. What is this even? Select data tags. Oh, that's literally what it is. That must have been the last one I did. Yeah, that's obviously what it is. Select data tags 1. Okay, where's the other select data tags? Here. Go away, you're dead to me. Okay, so let's replace this. And where is it at? I've already forgot what I named this. Oh yeah, select data tags. That would be it. Wait for the upload to complete. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna have 2 things here, right? So the first one is gonna be the screenshot that I just took, which I need to edit. I need to resize it. So let's open up a new terminal. We'll go to my desktop. And we'll do some magic on it. We'll grab the, what is this? Is it this one? Screenshot something. All right, so we're gonna say magic screenshot 04 at, oh my gosh, I don't know the name of this. 1057. So let's do 57. That one. So we're gonna do that, and we'll resize by 50%. And I'm gonna rename this. What is this? Oh wait, that's not even the right one. It's the other one. It's the one that happened at 53. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's go and change this. This is 53. All right. What is this? Updating. All right, fine. We'll just say updating. Updating post email, post upload, post email upload. Wait, whoa, what did I just do? I'm tripping. I want to put that here. All right, so this is going to be post email updating, or post email import up, I don't know, upload, update. Shit, I forgot the PNG. Where did it go? Yep, we'll add it because that should be what it technically is. Yes, it is. Look at that. All right, cool. So now I can import that image here, which I forgot the name of it again. Oh, here we are. Post email. Okay. It's just lying. I was just testing y'all to see if y'all forgot it. I didn't forget anything. I have perfect memory. All right, look at that. So we have whatever this is. So let's caption it, and then we'll say this is, I guess, waiting for email upload process to complete. All right, look at that. So I'm now done with that. So we updated, we've done 2 images, and that took damn near 20 minutes just to do 2 images. All right, what else is there? What other images? Advanced options. We got to do that. So let's go ahead and import. Oh wait, we can't import it yet because I got to resize it, which is here. So we'll resize that right click, and we'll just do a little bit of magic and dump this here. And for this, I want this to be just advanced settings. Ah, shit, I keep forgetting to put the PNG. My gosh. But what is worse, it's keeping it as PNG because the original image is PNG. That's how I know it's PNG. So if you're like, wait, how do you know it's PNG? That's why. It's because the source image is PNG. All right, so I'm just gonna dump this in here for now, just so I have something so that I don't lose this. But I need to explain what these things do, like what'll happen as well as this. But I think someone else, I think has already done that, maybe. Got documentation. All right, so if you want to create a segment to use messages to, if you want to create a segment to send messages to this list, toggle the automatically create for this import, okay. So technically we have more than one advanced option, or we can have more than one advanced option. So as a result of that, I am going to put a little thing right here and say segment creation. And then I can kind of basically take what they have here. So we'll say if you would like to create a segment or to add your imported emails to a segment on import, toggle enable I'll use the word toggle, but the thing is I this right here is called the thumb, but I don't think a lot of people know that, so I'm trying to think of a word because you need to toggle it so that it's to the right or it's blue. Let me see if they're different colors. That's something that, you know, maybe I should know, but I don't. So we'll go and check. Dang it, I hate that I have to go through here just to get to the other thing that I actually want to do. All right, here we are. Okay, so if it's enabled, it'll be blue. All right, so we can go and say that. Toggle the automatically create whatever something segment. Create a segment for this import. I think we can do a much better job with the micro copy there. Okay, so we got that. So toggle turns blue. Delete identifier and tag values. So that's a separate one. Okay, so then we'll put another header here. And this is delete empty values. When it says all right, that's also confusing. Is this deleting empty values, or is it only deleting, like, wait, what? Delete identifier and tag values if columns are empty. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna just say remove empty values. All right, so I gotta take another screenshot. Hopefully I still, yes, look at that. Thankfully I still have this open. So I'm gonna close, oh wait, I'm gonna have that open. Just make sure that the name is the same. So we have January 4, 2024. All right, that's the same thing. So then what I'm gonna do, I have to have that. Okay, so then I'll just select that and we'll take another screenshot. Copy it. Or yeah, we'll save it. Screw it. And this is going to be delete, remove empty values. The reason why I'm coming to here is because I should have did this for the last one. Dang it. Damn it. Just now realized that I messed up. Yeah, I don't like that. It's adding artboard, and I don't want that. What I would rather do is just crop it out, but I don't know how to make it where it does that. So what I'm gonna do is just not do it. I'm just gonna not do it, and hopefully it's not that many things going on here, so hopefully people can just figure out that you click on this thing right here. My issue is that if I put it on here, I don't care, whatever, screw it. I'm gonna click there. Let's export this, and this is deleting existing tags. All right, cool. So then come here and add it. I'm going to invert this sentence. Start with the verb. All right, I think that's better. All right, and then here is going to be check delete existing data tag values. I really wish that we would use capital like this. But because this is, you know, I'll just do that. Because I mean, honestly, this is a name that it's a thing. It's like a proper noun for us, but we don't treat it as such. When the upload value is null. So we'll say check that to do what? To delete the tag. Oh, I see. So the tag key, I think. I'll just copy what they have here. For the user. If the key is present and yet has no value. I think it's obvious that this is the CSV. No need to say it again. All right, so I want to say I should be able to save this now. All right, I kind of want to put a picture here of the dashboard. But I don't want to put a picture of my dashboard. I want the design team to give me like an app, like an ideal dashboard, and I can put that here. And then we could do the same thing for SDK. Like we can have like just graphics for the SDK. Maybe I can use Dolly to do that, but I don't know if that's proper, especially when you consider that I pay for my own chat stuff, like my own OpenAI stuff. And yeah, so it's always a question of like what can I actually use, because to date I pay for all of my own stuff. It's not because they haven't offered, it's just I have my own stuff to begin with. Where is the web? Oh, here we are. This is what I was looking for. We're missing a space. I don't know if y'all noticed that right here. There we are. We're good. And then, yeah, I want an image for the API as well. All right, so I only got a few more things that I need to add. But if I'm honest, even if I don't, oh wait a minute, never mind. Hold on, there's other things I need to do. CSV can include. Parcel methods, okay, and then I want to include the CSV can include data tags. So I think that goes in here. I see what I can do now. All right, so let's make data tags be a link instead. Right here. Wait, I just saw it. I literally, oh, here we are. Okay, here we are. So yeah, this is now going to be a link to data tags instead. Like that. So data tags, all right, for segmentation. And I'll just put like a little aside here. I'll just say, we'll say useful for segmentation Do we have anything for segmentation? Oh, wait, what just happened? All right, and message personalization. This is more than just useful for segmentation. It's for that. So yeah, I'll say for segmentation here. What the fuck is going on? For segmentation. All right, I think that's good. All right, and then there's the one where I say make selections. So I need to put in here that little aside that checked. I don't want to say the word columns here because it's technically not what this is. But I guess, I don't know, we'll just say columns. Say only checked columns will be imported as tags. All right, so we have that. And is there anything else that I'm missing? Oh, look at that. So technically, all right, I'm done, technically. Wait, do I have anything for duplicates anywhere? Duplicate. All right, I have the word duplicate in here somewhere, but search isn't working because why would it work? Why would we expect tools to work? All right, let's look for it here. And I just forgot the freaking term I'm looking for. Yo, what's up, Nick? Lucas, how you doing? Oh, it's duplicate. That's what I'm looking for. I remember. And I only remember because it's up here. Okay, so I didn't mention anything about duplicate value, so then I need to mention that somewhere. All right, so in one signal will automatically remove duplicate. All right, the email address. You know what? I think I had this somewhere. This unsubscribe business. Maybe I don't. Wait, how come this doesn't actually move my document around anymore? This is why I don't use the browser for things. Because it's just like, it's not that great. All right, I'm just going to leave that section out. And then if it comes back up in review, then someone can add it. All right, so now I can get into these API functions. All right. Oh, this links to something. Okay. Yeah, so these all are already what they should be. Look at that. I've already done. All right, cool. So I'm gonna just copy this. Dump it here. Oh, come on now. Dump it here. I think what I'll do is I'll add a one of these things, and we'll just say that this is going to be curl or not. Or maybe I will. And is there a shell in here? Man, I don't like this thing. All right, there are. So yeah, we'll throw a shell in here. And then I'll just, make sure I call out that the type is email and the token is the address and all that kind of stuff. Or maybe I'll do that in the API side because it's the same for all of them. Yeah, token is email address, enable the subscription status. Yeah, we'll move that out because these are all repeated. So I'll go here. Provide subscription object anyway. Okay, so that stays here because that's specific to here. We'll call this a sample request. I suppose these are all sentences, so maybe I should pretend that these are actual sentences. That stays. This is good. This also goes away. And we'll put our sample requests. All right, so now we get more of the structure done. Now I got to figure out how to specify this. All right, and then I'm going to make sure that this is actually a parameter. So we'll just say all updating emails requires update email. You must use the parameter. Or I'll link to that at some point. The type must use update email. The type param must be set to email. And the token parameter represents the user's email address. To update a user subscription status, simply oh my gosh, what the fuck? Yo, what's up, Eddie? How you doing? We need scripted. I think that's his name. To come back. He asked about doing an internship, and I actually asked about that. I asked my manager about it. So we're seeing. So if he comes back, maybe he'll get to take advantage, or maybe not. We'll see. Oh yeah, no worries, no worries. I don't think the people who are here anyways, who watch, I don't really say anything, so you're good. I think most of the people just have it on in the background. But yeah, I'm working on one of our docs, so trying to get this so that it sucks less. And here I'll show you. All right, so let's look at, and I want images, by the way. So like, you know, I was talking about how I want design to come up with images for here, like a dashboard, or I guess maybe here, like advanced options. Maybe that could be like a, I don't know, something graphical. Same for here, the SDK and the API. But yeah, here's the original doc explaining how to import email addresses. Yeah, that's it. And I'm not even done, but like here's where I'm at so far with changing that document so that it's better. No, we have captions now, we have annotations now. The images are resized for this, so that they aren't that large. I have a drop shadow behind these images. I don't know if you can tell. There's a drop shadow behind it. They're all the same size, which is important. In certain cases, I've removed visual elements that don't need to be there. And yeah, I now have the full flow so that we can show the email that we'll get, as well as this stuff over here. And this could be improved a little bit, but yeah, maybe. Actually, yeah, you know what? Not maybe. We're going to do that now. Screw it. So let's find wherever that is. I forgot. Oh, here we are, right here. So let's throw a caption on here. So this will creating a segment named list. I'll do this list import. Man, this is a terrible name. January 04 2024 for imported or emails that will be imported. We'll say soon to be. How about that? Soon to be. Soon to be imported. Actually, this isn't hyphenated. It would be hyphenated if I had a noun, but it's not. Yeah, images, yeah, they're a little bit better. Yeah, I wish that more folks would notice that like these little small things, when you add them all together, they can make differences, and maybe we should do these things more consistently. But it takes time. That's the like I've been working on this for a couple days now, and not done. And if there's changes that need to be made, like that's only going to slow it down, publishing and all that kind of stuff. But hopefully, this will be an improvement and I can move on in life. We'll say selecting advanced option, selecting option to delete empty or delete columns. Actually, it's deleting the data tag, to delete data tags with empty values. And then I'll say we'll remove data. This is on a per user. I'm trying to make that clear that this is on a per user. Yeah, whatever. I don't care anymore. It's good enough. So now I can focus on getting these code samples created. And I guess I'll use paw for that. Or they renamed it, I forget. And we're gonna open up one of my recent projects. For one signal, I have a whole thing full of just code requests or API requests. So the thing that I am interested in right now is our user and the create user here. And we have these properties. The only property that I care about for this particular one is not properties at all. I'll just turn that off for now. Identity, I don't really care about that right now either, but I'm going to remove this test alias. And then subscription, this is the only thing that I care about, so the subscriptions. And we'll see here that I need to have a type of not this, we'll say type of email. And then we'll say that this is I am not Will. Add one signal. And then enable, this is whether or not it's subscribed or not. And then the rest of this crap, don't care, just turn it off. All right. Now, obviously this app ID is wrong because of reasons, but it won't be wrong for that long. I'll fix it eventually. Let's go to fetch curl, yes. So this is the shape of the object, I think. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do this without first checking to see if it's actually working. So let's select the right app, which is not here. Okay, well then let's add it. Create a new app. And before we create it, I first got to figure out what is the app. So what is this app? Nosy, okay. Oops, looks like I accidentally did that already. So we'll do Nosy. App ID is here. All right, and then this should be a secure value. And then I got to figure out what the, wait, what am I even looking for? The REST API key is, sorry. So we got to look for the REST API key, which is not that hard to get to. Settings. All right, and it's this key right here. What I'll do for now is move this off the screen. Okay, cool. Now that I have that, what I'm gonna do is come into my headers. Oh wait, whoa. Wait a minute. Am I confused now? I think I'm confused now. All right, let me close this. This is going to continue to confuse me. I'm going to discard all of this. So I have 3 desktops open and I want to move. Okay, I see what's happening here. So let's move this to here for now. All right, where did my thing go? Oh, here we are. All right, cool. So let's move this also to over here, and this one too. We'll close this for now. Oh, I moved this to the wrong one. Yeah, wait. Where are my docs? I literally. Oh, okay. I'm done. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hopefully this is the last time of me doing this. Move that here. Okay, so now I have an idea of how this may work. So we'll go to the create user. That's the one we're on right now. And we have app ID, which is in the path. We have body. Oh, wait, I'm confused. What? There's no header? My confusion is around the fact that there is no auth header for this. All right, I gotta ask someone about this one. All right, well, I have my message, and I'm not gonna really be able to give a update on that here because this is, you know, internal work stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and see what happens when I make this request. So that worked, and let's go and verify that it worked. Maybe. All right, so if it worked, I should have a new subscription with I am not Will. Yep, here we are, right there. Shit, don't do that. Go away. Cool. So we're gonna just take this and dump it here, and then I'll replace this with app ID. I know this is fake. I'm faking it now, but I don't care. That's what we're going to do. So get the ID, app ID, and then I'll just say app ID here. Okay, I think that's we're good for that. What else do we need to do? We got to do 2 more, and there's probably some words that I have to say. I think this can go away now. All right, and now we'll do the same thing, but using create subscription. But before I do that, I'm gonna come and delete all of this test stuff that I've been doing. Oh, and I have to go. I just realized that it is noon, and I have my, yeah, I think we have a company all hands or something like that. Yeah, so I gotta go. So if y'all made it this far, I appreciate it. If you enjoy any bit of this, please consider giving a thumbs up. That actually does help a lot more than you think. You can follow me on Twitter, on Twitch, and you should subscribe to me here if you want to see more of this. If you don't, that's cool too. Anyway, I gotta go. Y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.